Hello everyone, welcome to our Language Training Center, New Concept English Video Classroom, and today we will learn Lesson 29, Come in, Amy. Sağollaşta yaxshimizlar. Hamda bugun 29-dars Come in, Amy degan darsni o'qiymiz. Endi shu kitoblarni 29-darsni qarasanglar. Avval hamsa yangi so'zlarni o'rganib chiqsak. Okay, endi birinchi so'z qaranglar. Birinchi so'z nima ekan? Shut. Okay, shut. All right, shut degan nima desanglar? Yapma. Endi bugun yip-yangi bir narsani o'rganamiz. U bo'lsa nima desanglar? Fe'llar. Ilgari masalan ismlar, sifatlarni o'rgangan, tushunami? Masalan, shut deganning sifat ma'nosini o'rgangan. Nima desanglar? Yepiqliq deb tushunami? Masalan, the door is shut. Demakchi, bu eshik yepiq. Eshik yepiq. Demak, endi shut sifat bo'lganda nima desanglar? Yepiq deb ma'nosi bor. Endi bugungi ma'nosi nima? Fe'l ma'nosi. Bu fe'l degan shu harakat. Uyg'ur tilida odatda maq, mak degan qo'shimchalar qo'llanadi. Demak, shut deganimiz yapmaq. Tushunami? Shut deganimiz nima? Yapmaq. U nima desanglar? Shu close deganga bilan o'xshash bo'ladi. Masalan, shut the door please. yoki close the door please. Okay. Demak, endi shut, close, mushkili sinin bo'ldi desanglar, yapmaq, taqamaq deb bo'ldi. Demak, eshikni taqang. Shut the door yoki nima? Close the door. Close the door. Masalan, open bo'lsa, open degan yepishlar bo'lgangan. Endi bugungi darsimizda open degan ochmoq. Masalan, ayol qaranglar, bu ayol nima ish qo'yibdi? Derazni ochib tushunami? Open the window and air the room. Okay, endi yerga air deganimiz nima desanglar? Air havoni almashtirish. Air degan havo deb ism shaklini o'rgangan, tushunami? Air endi fe'l bo'lganda havo almashtirmoq. Masalan, air the room, uyning havosini almashtirmoq. Okay, uyning havosini almashtirmoq. Okay, degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, air the room in the morning. Atdeganda uyning havosini almashtiring degan gap bo'ldi. Almashtiring. Okay, endi bedroom degancha, bedroom deganimiz yotoq uy. Bedroom degan yotoq uy. Bed degan yotoq, karvat, room degan uy, bedroom, yotoq uy. Demak, endi air the bedroom, yotoq uyning havosini almashtiring. Okay. And this bedroom is tidy. Okay, and the tidy was nima desanglar? Tidy deganimiz ratlik. Okay, tidy. Demak, mayata qo'yaqdan qanday ekan? Ratlikkan tushunami? Ratlikkan. Tidy. Tidy, ratlik, pakiz degan gap. Demak, open ochmoq, shut taqmoq, close taqmoq, air deganimiz nima? Uyning havosini almashtirmoq. Endi qaranglar, macho. What about this? This one is untidy. Okay, this bedroom is very, very untidy. Untidy. Endi shu so'zni qarasak, hammaning oldida on deb bir tal qo'shimcha turdi. Bu on degan qo'shimchaning ma'nosi bu yerda nima desanglar? Inkor ma'nosi bor. Inkor ma'nosi bor. Bu yo'sha nima desanglar? Folding. Okay, masalan, qarab baqsak, tidy deganimiz nima? Ratlik, untidy. Ratsiz. Demakchi, bu onning ma'nosi emas, tushunami? Ratlik emas, ratsiz. Happy degan xushal, unhappy. Qanday emas? Xushal emas. Friend bo'lsa nima desanglar? Do'st, tushunami? Friendly bo'lsa do'stona. Friend degan do'st, friendly do'stona. And unfriendly bo'lsa ancha nima desanglar? Do'stona emas. Do'stona emas. What about kind? Kind degan samimiy. Rostchil. Unkind degancha, samimiy emas, oqko'ngil emas degan gap. Okay. What about this? This one is a clothes, right? Clothes. And the ma'no ichida emas nima ekan? Bola clothes. Clothes degan shu kiyim-kechak degan gap. Masalan, your shoes, your sweater, your shirt, okay, your pants or jeans, all of them are clothes. Amush omlashtirib nima clothes deymiz. And wardrobe degan joyda salamish clothesni put qiladigan, soladigan mashinasini nima deymiz? Wardrobe deymiz, Wardrobe. Wardrobe. A wardrobe shu nima? Kiyim-kechak ishkobi. Wardrobe. And a put bo'lsa, if you put the clothes in the wardrobe, and put the clothes in the wardrobe, demakchi, kiyim-kechakni kiyim-kechak ishkobiga siling degan gap bo'ldi. Put the clothes in the wardrobe. And the macho. What about this? This one is dust. Dust deganimiz shu chant to'zonlarni surtmak. bo'lsa dust masalan dust the table deganimiz nima shu chang to'zonlarni surtmak. Dust degan shu chang to'zon degan gap. Ana sweep bo'lsa shu savolashlar. Qaranglar bular nima? They are sweeping. Sweep deganimiz nima? Supurmak. Masalan sweep the floor. Ya'ni supurang. Shunami? Sweep the floor. Xo'sh, ham so'zlarni tugabdi. Amsa shu tekstimiz qaranglar. What is there in Mrs. Jackson's room? Mrs. Jonas, sorry, Mrs. Jonas' room. Okay, and then nima desanglar? Bu yerda Mrs. Jonas uyda nima bor ekan? Qaranglar. Bu yerda nima bor ekan desanglar? Door. Okay. Door degan nima? Eshik bor ekan, tushunami? Okay. Onun deganida nima bor ekan? Window bor ekan, deriza bor ekan, tushunami? Onun deganida wardrobe bor ekan. Wardrobe degan nima? Kiyim-kechak shkafi, tushunami? Wardrobe, tushunami? How is the Mrs. Jonas room? Qanaqa ekan? Qarab baqinglar rasmga. How is the Mrs. Jonas room? Mushu Jonas xonimning uyi qanaqa ekan? Clean mikan, dirty mikan? Okay, very dirty, tushunami? And nima? Untidy. Okay, dirty and untidy. Birga qanday desanglarni aytib. Maynetgan, undan keyinchi rassizgan. Xo'sh, hamsa ma kartonni bir qisqagina ko'rib o'tib, andan tekst qaraylik.
Come in, Amy. Shut the door, please. This bedroom's very untidy.
What must I do, Mrs. Jones?
Open the window and air the room. Then put these clothes in the wardrobe. Then make the bed. Dust the dressing table. Then sweep the floor.
All right. And qaranglar, Mrs. Jonas the come in, Amy. Come in, Amy. And we are come in deganimiz nima desanglar? Kiring. Okay, indiga ishchiga shunaqa. Come in, Amy desangiz, nima? Amy ishga kiring. Shunaqa? Come in, Amy. Shut the door, please. And shut the door deganimiz nima? Ishni taqam. Okay, shut degan itdan shunaqa. Shut the door, please. Okay. This bedroom's very untidy. And then bu yataqoy bo'lsa in time qanda qalaymiqan. This bedroom is very untidy. This bedroom is very untidy. What must I do, Mrs. Jonas? Okay. And then nima ish qilishim kerak Jonas xonim dedi. What must I do? What must I do, Mrs. Jonas? Nima qilsanglar? Open the window and air the room. Nima ish qiling? Derizani oching hamda uyning havosini almashtiring. Okay, hamda shu ikki buyruq jumlalarning ikkisini birlashtirsang o'tirib and keladi bo'lganda shunami? Demakchi open the window and air the room demakchi. Derizani oching hamda havosini almashtiring. Then put these clothes in the wardrobe. Hamda bu kiyimlarni qanday qiling? Kiyim-kechak shkafga soling. Then make the bed. Hamda karvatni o'ngsham. And dust the dressing table and then sweep the floor. Demak, endi bu tekstni bir qisqa mazmun tushunami? Aniqda bu tekstimizdagi intayim muhim nuqtalar qaranglar. U bo'lsin nima desam, what must I do? Okay, what must I do? Endi bu yerga must deganimiz nima desanglar, savoldoshlar, shu sizlarningki, o'sha qilishga tegishli majburiyatinglarningki, zari zarur bo'lgan ishlarni deganda mustni ishlatamiz. Must degan lozim, zarur, tushunami? Masalan, I must open the window. Men qanday qilishim kerak? Derizani ochishim kerak. I must air the room. Uyning havosini almashtirishim kerak. Endi siz egisiz bo'lsin o'xshash nimani must. Demak, egisi qanchinchi shaxs bo'lishidan qat'iy nazar, bolalar o'sha must da qanday desam o'xshash kelaveradi. I must, you must, he must, she must, they must, it must, we must. O'xshash hammasi o'xshashlar nima desanglar must. Endi bu buyruq jumlalari qanday desanglar, ma yu chib qoladi. Shunami? Buyruq jumlada egisi yu qanday qildi? Chib qoladi. Shunga nima desanglar, miyaga you must. Masalan, you must open the window. You must air the room. You must put the clothes in the wardrobe. You must make the bed. You must dust the dressing table, and you must sweep the floor. Okay. Endi ma oldiki ma then ayerge then deganimiz nima? Ondin. Ma'ni qilib bo'lgandan keyin degan gap. Demak, endi mushunlarning hammasi nima must manda qilishingiz kerak. Demak, mustning keyindan nima keldi desanglar, peel. Peelning asl shakli keladi. Demak, ochmoq. Masalan, you must open the window. Siz derazani ochishingiz kerak. You must air the room. Siz uyning havosini almashtirishingiz kerak. You must put the clothes in the wardrobe. Siz cho'qim bu kiyim-kechaklarni kiyim-kechak shkafga solishingiz kerak. You must make the bed. Siz karavot rastlashingiz yoki karavotni yig'ishtirishingiz kerak. You must the dressing table. Siz cho'qim girish stolini surtishingiz kerak. You must sweep the floor. Siz yani supurishingiz kerak. Demak, endi bu nimasi majburiyat. Okay. Endi buni savolga aylantirsak qanday bo'ldi desanglar, savolashlar. Shu masnaldiga chiqib qo'ysanglar bo'ldi. Endi qarab qo'yinglar. Is this Mr. Jonas' living room? Deymiz. No, it isn't. Bu siz xonimniki. Mehmon xonimmi desa, yo'q emas, shunami? Javob berib qo'yinglar. Is this Mrs. Jonas' bedroom? Yotoq uymi? Yes, it is. Shunami? Is Amy in the bedroom? Okay, Amy, yotoq uydimi? Yes, she is. Shunami? Are these clothes in the wardrobe? Kiyim-kechaklar shu kitob shkafdami? No, they aren't. Shunglashqa nima desangiz, seling deydi, shunami? Is the dressing table dirty? Grim ustuli maynatmi? Yes, it is, shunami? Is the floor clean? Pokizmi? No, it isn't. Is the door open? No, it isn't. Demak, hammasi nima desangiz emas. Shunglashqa nima? Shunga you must open the window, you must air the room, you must dust the dressing table, you must clean the floor. They don't go. Shunga hamda mushu nima kelganda qanday desangiz shu qilish kerak ekan. Masalan, do you make the bed? Okay, and masalan, often, sometimes, never. And often degan ko'pincha vaqtlar degan gap. Sometimes ba'zida qildi, ba'zida qilmaydi. Shunami? Mecha 100% 50%, often 80% bo'lganmi, sometimes 50%. And never degan joy desanglar, qat'iy. Deb qilinglar savolashlar. So do you make the bed? Aradasizlar karavotlarni yig'ishtira olamsizlar? Often, sometimes or never. Do you sweep the floor? Sizlar yani supuramsizlar? Ko'pincha vaqtdami, ba'zirimi yo azaldan qilib boqmamsizlar. Okay. What about do you air the room? Uyning havosini almashtirib turamsizlar? Qanchalik vaqti bor? Doimmi? Do you put the clothes in the wardrobe? Kiyim-kechak shkafga kiyimlarni solamsizlar? Do you open the window? There is no chance. Do you shut the door? There is no chance. Deganda. Xo'sh, hamsa, America sweep the floor. Sweep degan yani supamak. You sweep the floor. And they make the bed. Make the bed deganimiz hamda nima bo'ldi desanglar, karavotni yig'ishtirmoq. Nima bo'ldi? And you know she's making the bed. Put the clothes in the wardrobe. Hamda nima? Kiyim-kechakni naysanmoq. Kiyim-kechak shkafga solmoq. Dust the dressing table. Grim stolni qanday surtmak bo'lsin? Dust the dressing table. Okay. And the open the door yoki shut the door. Okay, open the door, and open the window. Air the room. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, read after the tape. Okay, and okay. Masculine. If the room smells, you should. Again, purab ketib qolsa, g'ayri purab olib qolmasin deymiz. Siz qilasiz kerak, you should. Mana should nima mana qilishingiz kerak degan gap. And you should mana qilishingiz kerak. Okay. Air the room, open the window and air the room. If the floor is very untidy, agar yana qalayotgan bo'lsa, you should sweep. Sweep the. Okay. Sweep the floor. If the clothes are all over the table, you should. Agar kiyim-kechaklarni ham mustalni olsa, chechirib bersa, you should qana qilsangiz kerak. Okay. You should qana qilish kerak. put the clothes in order. If the bed is very untidy, you should make the bed. If you are going to go shopping, you should. Multiple you should. Go shopping. Okay. Shut the door. Okay. If the dressing table is very dusty, you should dust it. Okay, I'm not sure. Vocabulary. Mesela bedroom. Bedroom demek yatak ve make demek yasmak. Yani demek. Dust sen sözlerini söylemek. Air Allah'tan başlama. Sweep Spamek. Wardrobe demek. Wardrobe dediğin giyimsek çıkarı. Untidy siz. Put koymak. Open açmak. Shut demek. Takmak. Alright, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.